students. I want to make sure each student has the same amount. We don't want any drowning, okay? So, let's make a row for each student. Make sure each student is going to get the same amount.
4.
Okay? Good.
Someone tell me why Miss Brown just drew 4 lines and labeled 4. Every single hand should be up. Why did Miss Brown draw 4 lines and label all 4 Hope? Track Hope.
4 lines and put 4 because she represents all 4 of the kids.
Exactly. And all 4 of the kids need to get what?
The same amount of cookies.
Beautiful.
All right. So over here, I'm going to draw this my little house, because I want to be able to keep track of how many cookies I'm giving each student. Okay? I'm going to be able to keep track. What's the way, if I look at my 10s, how many 10s can I give each student so that they get an equal amount of cookies? Ooh. Even if we don't give all our 10s away. Just yet. Vintage.
You want to
Hands down. Wait. Track vintage.
get 4 10s and put it on each line.
Get how many 10s?
4.
It's okay that they deal it out.
Okay.
So she said to put 1 on each line. Go ahead and do that. Now, make sure every time we put 1 in each line that we cross it out.
Okay.
We gave that one.
Gave that one.
They got 10
Student 2
cookies.
Gets 10 cookies. Student 3 is going to get 10 cookies. Student 4 is getting 10 cookies. Do I still have cookies left over?
Yes.
I do. So how many do I have enough to give?
Yes.
Wait, ask her question. Don't say it until she's done. Do I have enough?
Do I have enough to give each of my 4 students another 10 cookies?
Great question.
Amore.
Yes. You got enough.
Okay, so let's do that. So let's give everybody another 10. Why do you disagree?
I disagree because they got 5 and they got 4.
Well, let's see what happens.
We'll see what happens. Let's give everybody 4. I mean, everybody 1 more first.
Just put it in ones.
Oh, we're going to see.
Okay. How many cookies does each student have so far?
2.
These are 10s though.
Oh,
so
20.
20.
Make sure when you ask questions like that, give them a little bit of think time.
Okay. Gotcha.
Now you go.
All right.
You could go to the ones and split that 10 again.
Pause. I gave total, how many cookies did I already give out?
20.
Total, between all 4 students. Think about it.
80.
Nope. Think. How many cookies in total did you already give out?
8.
Think. But don't shout out. Wait for Miss Brown.
Who can tell me? How many total did I give out? Juanisha.
8.
Okay. We're going to keep track of that over here. Okay? So, we're going to put our 80. We gave away 80. This is what we gave away so far. From the 96 that I originally baked, how many do I have left over? If I gave, think about it. If I gave away 80 so far between the 4 students, how many, don't call out though, how many do I have left? Amari.
16.
Okay. There's 16 left to give away. So I gotta get rid of these cookies. Because they got to get out of my house. I can't have all these cookies in my house. Okay? Good. Do I have, I only have 1 set of 10 bag of 10 cookies left, friends. Is that enough to give?
No.
Wait.
All 4 students?
Split it in one.
Why don't we do this a turn and talk? Because they all have something to say. Hands down.
So, hands down. I want you to turn and talk to your neighbor. Do I have, what do I do? What?
What do you do with the left?
What do I do with this last?
How do I deal or distribute the rest of the cookies, those 16 cookies, so everybody gets the same amount? What do we need to do with that 10? Tell your friend.
Tell your friend.
We need to split it in ones and add it to the 6 to make it fair, and then put the ones to all the 4s until it goes left over. They both equal numbers, so one can get a 5 and one can get
But then what would happen to the others?
Yeah,
What an interesting idea.
to the number 1.
But everybody has to have equal amounts. Remember that.
3 can go to that. Out of the 10, 3 can go to that one. 3 can go to that one. Then you can go to the 6 and you can have 3 for that one and that one.
But then what about kids 3 and 4?
Right. What about 3 and 4? They're gonna be mad. They're gonna be like, Miss
No,
Brown,
that's what I'm
you gave them more cookies than me. We can't have them mad.
That's what I'm talking about. Those two threes go to them.
So let's see.
Get three. Those another 3 out of 2 3s out of them.
Okay.
Should we try? Does everyone, what do people think about that? Do we agree with Amari that we should split them into groups of 3 and pass them out? Quanisha, you disagree? What do you think we should do?
We should put it into 4s because you have to get rid of the 4s first and then go to the 6 and get rid of those.
Thank you.
So you think, when you, what 4s? Where would you find 4s?
Yeah.
That
Turn that
out the 10. Turn it out the 10.
Let's try it.
You're saying let's turn my 10. So we're gonna break our 10 up into a bunch of, into how many ones? Would I break my 10 stick? 10. So let's do that. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Miss Brown, just draw an arrow. Oh, you probably were about to.
I was about to.
So,
Okay. So I have 10 ones
4.
here, and I already had 6 ones. So how many ones do I have in total? How many single cookies do I have left? We already said it.
16.
16. We have 16 left.
Oh, you can count by 4s and do another.
So, how can I break my 16 down so that every student is not mad at Miss Brown and they have the exact same amount of
Cross
cookies?
out 4 and put the 4 to 1 and cross out another 4
Wait.
and put it to 2 and they're going to have 1 more left. So they're going to have 2 more left.
Wait, Quanisha. Hope,
Then
tell
we
me.
add
What do
it
we
to
think?
6.
Listen, Trey. Hope.
Uh,
What do you think? How can I break my 16 left down and so that all 4 students have the exact same amount of cookies? How many cookies can I give? Each one. Okay, you wanna try that? Let's try it. Let's see if we can give every student 4 cookies. So let's do it. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
we'll cross them out. Let's give this one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's cross them out again.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
1,
I think
2,
we did it.
1, 2, 3. Each body got
What?
24.
Everybody has the exact same amount of cookies, friends, and nobody is going to be mad at Miss Brown because they're going to have a treat.
24.
How many did we give total, Amari? How many cookies did we give out just now?
We gave
Just in ones. How many did we just deal out? Not the 10.
16.
We gave out 16, so we want to make sure we write the 16
total
over
is
here.
95.
We gave out now our 16. So we have anything left?
No.
I gave out all my cookies. There are no more cookies left in my house, friends. This will help Miss Brown stay on her diet.
Altogether is 95.
How many cookies did we give to each student all together?
24. Oh, 95. Oh,
No. Think about it. Each student has how many cookies?
Oh, I know. 24.
But don't call out. Vintage.
24.
Good. We gave each student 24 cookies.
That's too many cookies. What are cookies at?
You really baked them?
No.